On the front, you get a punch-hole display that makes the phone look modern and immersive.
Samsung Galaxy A18 5G, full review script for YouTube. What if you could get a premium-looking smartphone with fast charging, a smooth display, powerful performance, and a stylish design, all without spending flagship money? Well, Samsung is back again with another budget beast, and this one is getting a lot of attention online. Meet the all-new Samsung Galaxy A18 5G. In today's video, we're going to explore everything about this upcoming smartphone. From its design and display to camera quality, battery performance, gaming experience, and expected price. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this phone might become one of the best budget 5G smartphones of the year. And if you love upcoming smartphones and latest tech updates, don't forget to subscribe to Upcoming Smartphones Hub and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future videos. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A18 5G looks surprisingly premium for a budget smartphone. Samsung has